So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about an easy example of how to write playbook in Ansible. Okay, so we are going to start with a very basic example. This is just a basic example in which what I am doing is, suppose I've defined any name of the playbook, then a host in which we have to run this playbook, then a gadget practice tool. It is just a normal function in which this gathering files to means it will go and check all the package information of the server, what all packages are installed on the server. Okay, it will gather all the facts about the server. Then I'm just specifying a task. Okay, inside task I've just specified the task name and then the command to be executed in the server. I've just done cd and I've specified the folder path. So it is going into that server and executing this command. It's a very basic. If you want to run any command, you can use this shell module to run a command. Okay. So the next is a little basic example in which if you want to execute more than one command in the server, you can use pipe sign with the shell. It will give you an extra add-on feature in which you can run more than one command. So suppose I run this call command, then this unzip command, then this install command, all the commands I can run. I can run multiple commands using shell pipe. So guys, what all we did a basic example in which you can define a task by running a single command. Okay, you are running a single command you want to run. You can use shell function with the command. Okay, and suppose to if you want to run multiple commands like this first command, then this second command, then this third command, then it's very easy. You just won't have to use this shell colon pipe to run multiple commands. Okay guys, I'm going to I'm going to explain you a little advanced level of playbook in the next slide. This is a little high level of little advanced level of playbook in which we have used variables and we have used conditions and we have used a variable to display the output of the code. Okay. So let's start with the first. We have defined the name of the playbook, host, carrying the rule, and I'm starting the first task. What I'm doing is I'm going to this path, okay, and then I'm registering a variable AWS underscore check, okay, and I have used a module ignore underscore errors column to it means there is an error. You have to ignore that error. Suppose this cd slash folder which suppose I'm going into a server and executing this cd command, and if in that server that folder does not exist, then what will be the output in that case? There will be error, right? So I'm ignoring that error. That is the meaning of ignore underscore errors. Okay. Now the next, I've declared a variable. You can declare a variable using register. Using register, you can declare a variable. Okay. And now the second command is suppose if you are going if you I'm saying if the CLE is not installed, then shell pipe you have to run this multiple command. Then I'm saying when condition when this AWS underscore check dot rc means return code is not equal to 0. This case it means if this path exists, it means AWS CLI is already present. Folder is present, then what will be the return code? It will be equal to 0. But if it is not present, in that case the return code will not be equal to 0. So I have to execute these all steps. And after that, I will be checking the version in the third task and I am going to register a variable st. What it is going to do is it is the registering of variable st. What I am going to do is I am going to do a debug module in which I am saying I want all the standard lines, output lines stored with code and what what output is stored in SD? This command's output is stored in SD. So I'm using a debug module which is just displaying the output of the commands. Okay guys, have you understood? This is just a basic example I took you from basic how to make define a how to define a task, how to define a basic task, how to run a command, how to run multiple commands in your shell, how to declare a variable, how to apply a condition, and how to display the command output. I hope guys you understood how to write a playbook, and after watching this video you will be able to write your own playbook. Okay guys, let's meet up in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe and do like that. Thank you guys.